Good morning, students. Now we will go further in HTML chapter. Today our program is creating tables in HTML. Now here the table tag is used to create the table. Here border is the attribute of table where I am giving as equal to 3. Now first, after writing table tag, we will use tr tag, that is table row tag. After table row tag, we will use th tag, which is used to create the table heading. Now first heading I am giving as name, then second class, and third section. After every th tag we have to close the th tag. Here also I am closing, and here also I am closing. Now at last, when first row is completed, we have to close the tr tag also. Now after that again we have to write starting tag of tr, because the second row is started from here. Here we are using the td, that is table data. Here we are giving the data of the particular table. Now first heading is name, so the first data is Riya. Second is class, so for data is class 7. Now here section, so first section's data is TA. Again all the td tag is should have the closing tag also, like slash td. Here also slash td, here also slash td. Now our second row is completed, so that's why we have to write the slash tr over here. Now again when the new row start, we again start the tr tag. After that td, then pr, second name class 7, and then section is A. Again at last we have to close the tr tag. Now after writing the whole description of table data, we will write the closing tag of table. That means the table tag is over. After that slash body and slash html. So after writing this, we will execute the program and see the output. So now student, this is our output. Here I have saved our file as name program for html, and this is our table having the heading as name, class, section, and this is our data. So now students, this is our next program. Here we will creating hyperlinks in HTML. First of all, we will see what is hyperlink. Hyperlinks are text or images on web page which when clicked will lead you to other web page. What is the meaning of lead with you to other web page? Means this, with the help of this hyperlink we can connect two web pages together. As you seen, whenever you are opening any web page, some images are there or some blue color texts are there, which when clicked we will lead to another web page directly. So this is known as hyperlink. Now for this hyperlink, anchor tag is used, that is A tag. A tag is used to create hyperlinks for the given URL. Now in the A tag, hrefs. Hrefs is the attribute of A tag, which is called as hypertext reference. This hypertext reference is used to specify URL of target link which we want to open when we click on the hyperlink text or images. Now how to write the coding? Here first of all we will write A tag. After A tag, hrefs, that is attribute of A tag, we will write. After equals to, we will write the location of the web page which we wants to lead with the first web page. After that, click here. This is the text which is known as the hrefs text, which used to link two pages together. Now we will see how to get this location of web page. So first of all, minimize this program, as already we have created the program number 4. Right click on this program number 4. Here last option, properties are given. click on the properties. This dialog box will appear. From here we will first copy this location part from this position. Right click, copy, and remember the name of the file, that is program4.html. Now close it and go to your particular program. Now here we will paste the location which we have copied just now, like this. Now after that we will write the program name, which was program 4.html. Now after this we will save the program and execute the program to see the output. So now student, this is our output. Here we have saved our file as program5.html. Now this is the click here which text is written as hyperlink. When we click in this hyperlink, it will directly link to our previous program, that is program number 4. See, I am clicking here the program number 4, that is student table, which we have already seen the output. It is open. So this means we can link two files together. So after this practical session of chapter number 4, that is HTML, is over. Now in the next period we will start the new chapter.